Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make sausage fry, and before going to the video, please make sure that you subscribe, like, share and comment and turn the notifications on. So for making the sausage fry, we need to soak the sausage in water for almost 10 minutes until it's soaked completely and not so frozen. And now cut the sausage into small pieces as you wish. And now heat the pan. Pour some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. And when the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of fennel seeds and some curry leaves and chilli as you wish. And now add sausage to it and fry. Half teaspoon of chilli powder and add half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon turmeric powder and add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and needed amount of salt. Now stir the sausage until it becomes dark brown color and
I don't deny there's some strange.
now a spicy and yummy sausage fry is ready.